how to upload landscape video on Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the plus icon on the bottom of your screen, and then in the interface that you will be led to, select the reel option and then select the reel in landscape mode that you want to post. Now tap on the next button on the bottom right of your screen and further go ahead and make any required changes. Here, as you can see, my video has black bars on top and bottom of my video. It does not really matter. Simply tap on the next option and then go ahead and enter the caption and tag people or add location as necessary, and then tap on the next button. And with this, as you can see, the reel has been shared in a normal landscape mode and does not have black bars anywhere no longer. So this is how you can upload landscape video on Instagram Reels. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.